Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can edit your about page on Facebook, and it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. Before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, after you open your Facebook, click on menu at the bottom right of your screen. Once you're inside menu, you want to go in your Facebook page. So you can see Food Restro, that's the page I own. So I click on it and it'll take me to my Facebook page. And at the bottom, it's going to show me switch. So I will click switch and it'll switch me to my Facebook page over here. Now once I'm on my Facebook page, what I can do is click on menu again at the bottom right corner. Once I'm in my menu, at the top you can see the name called Food Restro. Click on it and it'll take you to your Facebook page. So mine's Food Restro, so it took me to my Food Restro page. Now scroll a bit down until you see this option called About. Now once you see this option called About, click on it and scroll a bit down, and this is basically my current About. My page is designer, nobody rated it, and I can click on see more to see more details about my About page. But if I want to edit it, I can scroll a bit down and I can see edit public details option. I can click on edit public details, and then over here I can edit everything about my About page. If I want to edit my public profile, right beside public profile I can click on edit to change the profile picture. If I want to create an avatar, I can click on create. If I want to change my cover photo, I can change it by clicking on edit right beside it. If I want to edit my bio, I can click on edit right beside bio, click on edit bio, and then write whatever I want. I sell designer food logos, and once I'm done with the editing, I can click on save at the top, and this setting will be saved just like this, as you guys can see. And I can even change my page detail over here, like address, phone number, email, everything over here. And after all of my editing is done, I can go back and my About page should be edited. So I can click on this, and as you guys can see, it has been edited over here. That's how you guys can edit your About in Facebook page. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.